This is ridiculous. They stop all highway traffic and they're trying to pull over all motorcycles. Look. And then they say the same reason you coming between lines. And one more bike is coming behind this guy. Look, this is 495 Long Island Expressway. They pull over all motorcycles, bro. And then they pull over all motorcycles. They say all reason they coming between lines.
Right.
You can't come between lines. They stop all traffic. Look, and then they waiting to all motorcycles here for probably checkpoint. This is bullshit. Now I'm here about 30 minutes. I'm still here. Look, they're trying to catch one more bike here. Everybody's same reason. You stop for because of between lines. Look, they stop all traffic and they try to catch one more motorcycle over here. They just stop here and waiting to motorcycles. This is bullshit. Look, they take off the key and they wanted to push up one more bike over here. This is ridiculous.